Let's go 697, 170. That's why I can't lose them in first. It should be John. Midlothian, Texas. We're a Texas Outriggers, big block Chevrolet supercharged power. Local time champ Randy Benson, Marty Logan trying to make it 2 in a row after the win in Augusta, Georgia. He's going to be able to do it. Randy going to say, hey, we're going to take this. How about 2 in a row? Yeah, Marty Logan living the dream, 699, 174 miles an hour. Randy Benson, red light, foul start, 719 to 167. Marty Logan. Capsule lid, gonna close. Coach and the entire team wants to see a good number and a nice smooth pass for Scotty Lumbert.
No, it wasn't.
3.67, 247.9 miles an hour.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
It would seem as though the issues that they had may be pretty well on the way to being taken care of. Scott Lumbert, pretty good reaction time.
That was cool.
2.71.
Yeah,
660. 3.67, 367 at 248 miles an hour for Scott Lumbert. That is not a bad way to wrap up a pretty warm weekend.
No, he did. That was awesome.